Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Serena, hence the intro, hence the channel name. That's so Renna. You get it corny, I know, but that's just how we are here. In today's video, you already know. If you're not new here, you know when your girl starts the video in a wig cap, we must be doing a hair video. Plus, you click the title, so I'm pretty sure you kind of know what video we're filming. I'm not naked, by the way. I have a dress on, but it is strapless in the way the camera set out, girl. Just now, disclaimer, I ain't naked. Okay, so I haven't even opened the box yet. I wanted to do a legit first impression with you all. So today is going to be a wig that I found from Unice. Shout out to Unice because they got the best wigs, period. Unice and Beauty Forever Hair have the best wigs other than Crown Royal extensions, period, because I'm an ambassador for them and they do the zip. Okay, this video is not sponsored, by the way. This is with my own money, my own opinion. I just wanted to switch it up and get a new look because, you know, it's a new year and I've been kind of playing it safe when it comes to like hair color and styles that I've been doing. So I kind of wanted to switch it up. So when you first open the box, there is the wig, of course. When you, you know, move it, there is a wig cap and headscarf. This wig cap is too light for me. And this headscarf, I already have one because I did a video with them before. And then boom, you have the business card in there. Well, I was surprised they didn't send lashes this time. They usually do, but they didn't send lashes this time. But that's cool, you know, whatever. Probably because it ain't sponsor you. So we gonna just open her up, honey. It just has a little barcode on it. It doesn't say anything about it. Okay, so on the outside, I'm gonna read y'all the specs since I know some people, they wanna know that type of stuff. So this is a Unice T-part lace closure wig, human hair, blonde highlight, 4x4 silk base fake scalp wig, middle part for black women. That's what it says on the sticker, no lie. So, let's see here. Why a white woman can't wear it? So here is how the wig is looking straight out the pack. As y'all see, got a little Cruella de Vil situation going on. All right, it has the hair net on the outside of it. Put this down, get off of me. Y'all, the hair net always sticks to me like that. I don't know why. And then we have some cotton in here, move it out. So as you can see from the inside, there is this thing here. You can cut this out if you want. I probably will because it gives you like a fake, literally like a fake scalp type of look. But you could cut that out and then it'll just be scalp. But since I'm wearing a black wig cap, I probably don't need to cut it out. I can probably finesse it. And it literally just has this much lace in the front because, again, it's a closure. Closures are way easier to finesse, girl, okay? Because all you got to do is lay your baby hairs if you want to, or cover the whole thing up and just slap her on, okay? She's ready to go straight up out the box. I'm going to brush her a little bit, make sure she doesn't shed. And then I'm gonna get my straightener because I want her bone straight. Okay, it's easier when you straighten your wigs off your head, but I'm gonna straighten her on my head for a change. Let's change it up, let's switch it up. So first, she does have 3 combs, one on each side and then one at the bottom. I don't really use the combs except for at the back so that it doesn't stick up in my kitchen. And as you all know, I don't braid my hair down for wigs because I don't know how to braid. She does also have adjustable straps, so you can adjust it so you can just have the right fit, girl. But yeah, so I'm just gonna plop it on my head so we can see what it looks like. Wow. So straight up out the box. Wow. Hold on a second. Because it is not on my head. For real, for real. It would look way better if I had my hair braided down under here, but I don't. Okay, so I am going to cut the lace off. I'm gonna take it back off and cut the lace off and fix my wig cap because it's sliding back. I never glue my wigs down. I always do the glueless method. So yeah. So a trick with cutting your lace, you never want to cut straight across. You always want to do like a zigzag type of motion so it doesn't look like it's just a straight lace sitting on top of your forehead. Alright, so here's how the wig looks now. So I'm just going to adjust it to to a bigger size so that it's not so tight on my head. What do y'all think? It would be way better if it was like sitting up like this here. I think I could probably finesse it with the flat iron. What y'all think? Okay, so I need to fix this. That's not it right there. As you can see, my real hair is peeking out. So I'm gonna take my, what is this called? True Edge Controller. It smells so good. Literally smells like strawberries. First, I'm going to part my real hair to follow the closure, right? Because we want the parts to line up realistically, right? Since I'm not gluing my hair down. Okay, so let me line that up better. This is just a flat iron that I was somebody bought it for me from Macy's. we were in Macy's one day and I was like, oh my god, I need a new flat iron, and he bought it for me, so I've always had it. So yeah, there's not really a link to that, but yeah, this video is like super chill, so I hope you guys are okay with that. I'm trying to incorporate, why is it sizzling like that? I'm trying to incorporate hair videos in. Did y'all hear that sizzling noise? I wonder what that was, because this is human hair, right? I only have it at 130 degrees, so I don't know what that sizzling was, because the hair is not wet. That was interesting. Just gonna pass it right behind with the brush. Ignore the part. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix the part. I know y'all staring at it still. So here's this side straightened. It's very lightweight, I would say. This is not a lot of density. It's not as thick as I thought it would be, which is a good thing and a bad thing. Well, if it's summertime, then honey, I'm all for the not thick bundles, but it's a little chilly where I'm at, so a little thick hair ain't gonna hurt nobody. But you know, if you're there for that, then you're there for that, honey. How much density does this say? Let me check on here, because that don't say nothing. The box don't say nothing. 150% density. Well, it definitely looks like how it does in the picture. I can tell you that. I don't know, y'all. I'm not used to all this blonde like right here in my face. I'm about to fix this part with some makeup real quick though, because it's like irritating me. All right, y'all, so I zoomed out a little bit. I was using the 50mm lens before, so I plopped the 24mm on and I put some concealer in my parts so that you guys can get like the full effect of the wig. And I'm kind of feeling it, y'all. Kind of feeling the little Cruella de Vil kind of vibes going on here. So yeah, this wig was about $129, I believe. Yeah, I paid $129 for this wig, so it will be linked down below in the description box down below. Again, this is not sponsored. I just thought this would be a cool little video to do because this is a new look y'all never seen before on me. So yeah, so shout out to Unice because the wig's a winner. Okay, I just had to add just like a itty bitty tiny piece of makeup right here in the part, because when I pulled my real hair out, there was like a little tiny space of lace, I guess. I don't really know, like maybe if I bleached the parting space, but I would have to cut off the silk base because it's a silk base closure. They got this new thing going on with this fake scalp type of thing they're trying to push. I don't know, but girl, look at it. I mean, even with the glasses, okay, and I'll give you without the glasses, girl, coming to an Instagram near you, okay, period. I feel like an Instagram baddie in this. Okay, all right. So yeah guys, this is a pretty chill, like I said, pretty chill video. I'm just over here experimenting in my new place. Ain't got nobody else to talk to but y'all. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.